Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What's up, guys? This is Caruso from Caruso's Gaming and Reactions, and I'm back with another video. This time, I'm going to be reacting to a race. You guys, if you know anything, I love racing, so especially big rim racing. Boost Doctor versus Two Fly Heavyweight Grudge race. Twin turbo box Chevy versus a Nitrous big block Donk. All right, let's get into this reaction. I'll talk you through this stuff if you haven't never seen it before. Don't. Two Fly is a Florida boy with a massive engine in his car, in his Donk. We'll get into it. Shout out to G-Dog too for his production on this video. Haven't seen it, but I love G-Dog's work. He's an incredible videographer. So yeah, he should get more credit because he really does put in the work. All right. I'm going to tell you what's up. All right, this is Two Flies. Don't can't really see the front of it. This is Boost Doctor's Chevy. It's a box Chevy, but you can see they got a huge engine in it. Twin turbos on that juggle, boy. If you listen closely, you can hear the turbos on that Chevy, and it's fast too, real fast. I think Boost Doctor is a Carolina guy, South Carolina, same place, same state, Donk Master from. Not too fancy either. Boost Doctor car and all that, you know what I'm saying, in terms of look. It's for racing. That's what they call for. That car light as a feather, man. You ain't got nothing in that car but the engine, the tires, and the chassis. When they jump out the line like that, a lot of time I think they be afraid the car gonna snap or something. But they need to just put their foot down and hit it. Ain't nothing you can do about it if it's gonna break anyway. So you might as well just let it run. But they hit it, that first initial burst, they let off for some reason. And that's how Donk Master always be skipping. If you gonna get on the gas, get on it and stay on it. If it breaks, ain't nothing you can do about it no way. So you might as well get hit it all the way down the track. But they be, when they hit it or they feel like they are pulling one way, they'll stop off the brake or break up, you know what I'm saying, and you know what I'm saying, they lose a race like that, bro. Seconds matter. That's Two Fly Donk right there, man. Nitrous charge, super power, boy, and it's fast too. Two Fly got a fast car. And big load driving. Showtime. Summer in Miami. Now it's important to understand that people come out to watch these guys race. There's like people like Boost Doctor, Donk Master, Two Fly, Gone Hollywood, some of the bigger names. They come out to the track to watch them play. They'll pay money, pay admission to watch them race. So, I mean, there's all kind of side betting going on. All kind of side betting going on this race. You hear them turbos whirring? You know that whistling sound, and those are the turbos. and boost out this car. I don't know if Two Fly got turbo. I'm pretty sure he got me. I don't even know. I don't think I've ever seen under the hood of this car. I have to listen to the engine. If you do got turbos, I ain't see no outlet for them in the front of the car nowhere. But they gotta be somewhere in the front. Where's that form? Okay. Nitrous, man. Not all in the front, but he do got the blower, so might be going out there maybe. The engine, though, ain't it? So, ooh, see? Boost Doctor did it again. His car jumped. Oh! Ooh! He won the race, but he ripped that rear axle up. It broke. The muffler or something fell out that joke. Yeah, he won, but that damn rear axle snapped. Ooh. This kind of stuff happen in Donk racing all the time. Swap. Ooh. Find out later on what broke on this car. So that was a cool race. Two Fly for the win. I don't know what he broke in there. Whatever he broke gonna cost what he made on the winners anyway. So hopefully it ain't nothing too serious and he can get back to racing. But anyway, guys, if you like my reaction to this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Go over to GDawg803. Follow him on Instagram. Check out his channel. It's worth it. Trust me. I'm Caruso from Caruso's Gaming and Reactions, and we'll see all of you guys in the next video.